Good morning, friends. I hope that you guys had a great weekend and a great day celebrating your moms yesterday. And I hope that you're ready for a great last week of school, last full week of school. We have 3 days next week, but last full week of school, which is just so crazy to me. Because it is our last full week, we're going to keep it pretty simple this week. So for reading, I just want you to read in your independent novel for 20 minutes today. And also keep up with the Rhino in Right Field. I hope that we'll get to finish it by the end of this week. So make sure you're keeping up with that as well. For writing, you don't have anything for today, so you don't have to worry about writing for today. And then for math, we're going to review fractions. Fractions were a big part of our fourth grade, and they're going to be a big part of your fifth grade too in math. So we're going to go ahead and we are going to do a little bit of a fraction review using a fruit salad recipe, which I posted on the blog. Feel free to try out the fruit salad recipe. If you make it, let me know how it is. But we're going to use that fruit salad recipe to answer some questions involving fractions all week, and those questions that you need for today are also on the blog. You can either print them out or you can just use them on the screen and answer it in your math notebook. Either way is fine with me. So that's all you have from me for today. I want to go back to the Just for Fun from Thursday. What did Churchill mean when he held up the two fingers, and what was Beethoven's dun 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 dun? The Churchill held up two fingers for V for victory, and they say that Beethoven's dun 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 could be translated to dot 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 dash, which in Morse code is a V, victory. So that's the Just for Fun from Thursday. See if you can figure out today's, and I will see you guys on Wednesday. Have a great Target Day tomorrow. Bye, everyone. Love ya.